He wants the worms. Is that worms in there?
I think so.
He's trying to open it.
He's impatient, huh?
He's like, oh, look, he has a mohawk. Or he has a mohawk.
A little curly hair. All the ducks over there.
He's still trying to get in there.
Oh, he's a patient one, right?
He's all me eat this stupid lettuce. Stupid lettuce.
What's so gardening you me later?
I know. What does it say? Wax worms. Yeah, he wants his worms.
He knows what that is. He'll figure it out. They're smart like that. Eventually.
That one bird sounded like a raptor, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
I love his hair.
Mm-hmm.
Are you a boy or a girl?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, oh, the stupid lettuce.
I guess. I like the colors of his feathers. It's the perfect time to come because when that's when they're feeding them, they come out more. So, and when during the day, they're probably all full. They're like, "No, I'm hiding." What are
He's
they?
being impatient. He wants his worms. What kind of bird is this?
This is a curacao, and her name is Morticia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I love her little curls.
Yeah,
She's beautiful.
To go like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's so funny.
She was really trying to open that thing.
Yeah, these worms are for you. It's inside, but you didn't want to go inside, so now you're like weird. Yeah, I know. Yeah, our male is inside eating right now, but she was just like, what? So
She's all, I'll eat this lettuce then.
Yeah. She was like,
Is that what she eats as worms?
no, so she gets a mixture of different fruits and veggies and then some grains.
Oh, okay.
So they have like.
So she's not a meat eater? No.
They'll go for you like they're meat.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for all the information.
Yeah,
Thank you.
of course.
Have a good day.
Glad y'all got it.
Oh, she still want the worms. Still want the worms.
She's like, but I want the worms. Oh, did you hear this one?
Nah.
It sounded like it said, Mom. Are those the worms?
Yeah. They get wax worms 3 times a week. Because they're kind of high in fat, so we don't want to give them too much. They love them.
Now go get the worms.
Is she going to eat them?
Yeah.
She eats them.
But she didn't like them too much. She just picked up one. Here.
She didn't like it. She said that she didn't want to eat them.
Well, she's turned much.
Oh, she is?
Yeah. Turn it up. Nothing but worms.
Oh, it's over there hiding. Do you see it in the corner? Oh, look,
see.
there's one right here. Hey.
Oh, maybe it's full. Oh, look, oh, there he is. He said,
Yeah.
hey, he came out.
Oh, there they are. Look, hey. They look like skunk. Hey.
Oh, it's 2 of them.
Yeah. Look at
What
that.
up? What up?
Hey. They're so cute. Look at the little heads. That is too cute.
Oh, look, he came out of this little box.
He did. He's like, hey.
They're nice people. They're nice.
Did you say nice people? He's like, nope. Going back.
I'm so full. Thanks, guys.
Look at this girl. Hey, aw. Stop right when I came.
Yeah, next time I bring up my backpack is carry around the souvenir cup. No, but I'm still having fun.
No, nothing. Nothing. Look at this. Why are you all so cute? Look at you. You are just so cute. They look like skunks with monkey faces.
Mm-hmm.
He's stretching. Oh,
They're real social, man.
he's what do you call it? Where they're looking for the fleas on them.
Oh, it's Pugano that we call it.
Yeah, but what do they call it in English?
Uh,
It's called something, isn't it?
can't remember, but that was Pugano means checking for lice.
No, it's called something. When
Yeah.
you do that. I like them. Those are my favorites so far.